Hey everybody, back for another one. Let's talk about these Georgia Guidestones. So, what are the Georgia Guidestones? Okay, the Georgia Guidestones is a granite monument erected in 1980 in Albert County, Georgia, in the United States. A set of 10 guidelines is inscribed on the structure in 8 modern languages, and a shorter message is inscribed at the top of the structure in 4 ancient language scripts. So basically, these right here in Georgia is basically what governments came together long ago. And basically it's about depopulation, population control. See it say right here. See it? Let me see. See it said about humanity under 500 million. In perpetual balance with nature. So basically, like I said, they trying to get the population down to 10%. By a certain year, I think it was 2030. So all this stuff is like part of the plan. All this stuff like with this man-made virus and all that. So when people think this stuff just came out the blue, nah, like Bill Gates said, a lot of these viruses are created right in laboratories. Y'all look it up. Bill Gates said it himself. He know what's up. So a lot of these people, they build around the round table when they find out new ways that they can get rid of us as people. So, and like I said, whoever ain't woke by now, they never gonna be woke. Sad to say, because this year has been crazy for a lot of people, and it affected even a lot of people, even the people with money, affected a lot of them. So. Yeah, but governments came together. So y'all think the government is y'all friends? Shit, they right with the plan to depopulate. Bill Gates and others. They with the elite. So politicians too. So how y'all thinking these people on y'all side? Better think again. Look at that, Georgia Guidestones. They got a lot on here. You gotta, like I said, you gotta look it up. Like, do your research. They not gonna tell you. You think they gonna tell y'all this stuff? Shit. Oh, this some more. Dang, I ain't even see this. And look at this stuff right here. A total world population of 250 to 300 million people. A 95% decline from present levels would be ideal. And this is from Ted Turner said this. See, I'm telling y'all some good stuff now. Y'all stay asleep you want to. Shit. It's another one. The world can therefore seize the opportunity to fulfill the long-held promise of a new world order. Hear that? New world order. Where diverse nations are drawn together in common cause to achieve the universal aspirations of mankind. That's from George Herbert Walker Rush. Wow. So a lot of these people ain't on it. You know, y'all thinking stuff sweet and all that other mess. Shit. Think again. Y'all better think again. People think this stuff a hoax and all that stuff. I'm gonna show y'all some more stuff. Let me see, where is it? People think this stuff a joke. It's all about population control and New World Order. It's about that. Population reduction. That's what it's about. Y'all be naive you want to. Y'all getting in all these debates, talking about who shit. Y'all, we as people don't have none control over who's in office or not. They already had the stuff selected. I'm gonna do another video about that, matter of fact. They select these people years before time. So check this out. Wildfire. Let me see, where is it? I gotta blow it up. Let me see.
Here is downtown Stadium. You can see the red hue, the red-orange glow. Falling visibly in front of when we were driving here, in front of the headlights of the cars. But downtown basically empty here. I'm trying to see the cars here, people walk around in cars, but the smell of smoke is heavy. At exit 13 off Highway 22 is where a roadblock is. So you can't go any further than that. So just wanted to show you what downtown Stadium looks like right now at 12:22 in the afternoon.
Y'all see that? So that's food for thought for y'all. Because we are in the end times and the last days, and a lot of stuff that's supposedly going on now, it been going on, long ago, but I'm gonna read y'all some stuff here. Listen, I'm gonna read y'all some scriptures. Okay. Let me see real quick. Let me read y'all some scriptures, okay? Okay, 2 Timothy 3:1-17, it says, "But understand this, that in the last days there will come times at difficult, for people will be lovers of self, lovers of money, proud, arrogant, abusive, disobedient to their parents, ungrateful, unholy, heartless, unappeasable, slanderous, without self-control, brutal, not loving good, treacherous, reckless, swollen with conceit, lovers of pleasure rather than lovers of God, having the appearance of godliness, but denying its power. Avoid such people." You hear that? Let me see, read y'all this last one. Okay, this is on Jude 7th. "Just as Sodom and Gomorrah and the surrounding cities, which likewise indulge in sexual immorality and pursue unnatural desires, serve as an example by undergoing a punishment of eternal fire." Now y'all hear that? So a lot of what's going on now is because we as a people, it's sad, a lot of us people turned our backs on the laws of nature. So that's why one of the reasons what's going on now, because God is allowing it to happen. Look at our households. Our households are broken. It's supposed to be man, woman, and child, but now you got wife against husband, boyfriend against girlfriend. And like I said, we sister against brother. Mother against son, daughter against mother. So, like I said, we broken as a people. And we're failing. It's sad to say, but we failing. We celebrate failure. Like I said, we we focus so much on fashion and looking good. We celebrate, party. There's people that party and celebrate every week, but they ain't accomplished nothing. What you accomplish? We as people, we so famous for celebrating failure. Ain't buying no land, ain't creating no business, ain't investing nothing, but you celebrating, for what, I don't know. But like I said, as a people, we failing, miserably. And you know, it's people that's proud that's failing in life like that. They proud. Now they celebrate failure. It's sad. But just like God destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah, you know, see now a lot of stuff is going on is man-made. So look at a lot of these wildfires and stuff and forests being destroyed. See, natives lived on their land, so they're purposely being burnt out because they living off the land. You know, they don't live. They not living like we living like all this technology and homes and all. No, they living off the land. You know, that's how it should be. You know, that's how it was in the beginning. And a lot of them wildfires, a lot of animals was purposely killed, which meaning it's going to be a lot of starvation in the future, in the near future. You know, because with not real animals to kill, I mean, which you gonna eat? You know, I'm hearing they gonna start printing up KFC and all. They gonna start printing up 3D food. I'm like, wow. So you think people dying there? It's gonna be more people dying from cancer and other stuff. Like I said, they putting fluoride in the water, and like I said, you can't even really trust bottled water because they can be putting stuff in it. You know, so that's something, you know, for y'all to think about. Food for thought. Like I said, all this food, you know, then a lot of times people like not even eating right. You know, in these times, you know, make sure y'all stay prayed up. And also, you know, exercise, you know, get your fresh air, get your sunlight. And another thing, make sure you know clean your diet up because like I said, how you going to think right and think clear if your mind is fogged up with all that mess you put in your body, you know, fast food and all that junk. Like I said, I already did a video on that fast food. It's junk at the end of the day. That's why when I used to eat a lot, I used to be feeling sluggish and lazy. See, now that I clean my diet up a lot, not cooking mostly every day since the pandemic, so I've been feeling better on the inside, more energy. So, you know, that's give y'all something to think about. But so I'm gonna be catching y'all real soon. Like, share, subscribe if you ain't already. I'm gone.